This is Vector, a robot that snores. He also tells you the weather, lets you set a timer, or even play a game of blackjack. Vector is from the makers of the Cosmo toy robot, so it's no surprise they look related. And yes, Vector is a he, according to his creators. Unlike Cosmo, Vector is fully autonomous, so you don't need your phone to play. The idea is that Vector lives on the kitchen counter or rolls around your home. It's a virtual assistant and cute companion in one, with a color IPS display to show how he's feeling and a touch sensor on the back. If you say, "Hey Vector, take a photo of me," he works out the best framing and takes a shot. Soon, he'll get a messaging feature, so when he sees a face he recognizes, he delivers a message. For kids, you could set it up so Vector rolls up and says, "Hey, you didn't clean your room," when they get home from school. A range of sensors stops Vector from rolling off a table, and it can also map out spaces. 4 microphones detect the direction of who's talking, so if you say, "Hey Vector, come here," it works out where you are and moves towards you. Even though the robot is connected to the cloud, Anki says the photos never leave your device and voice data is never stored. Vector is $249, which isn't exactly cheap, but it is a lot more affordable than many other much bigger robots for the home like Buddy or Misty. At launch, it will have around 100 to 150 responses, but this will grow, and Anki is planning to push out updates every month. If you want to get your hands on one, Vector will also be available on Kickstarter for a discounted price of $199, shipping in October. Like its older sibling Cosmo, an SDK will be available in early 2019, so you can code Vector for yourself.